Hey gang, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at TERRO ant bait stations. These are liquid. I like the liquid ones much better. Let's do a full review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to show you what they look like, and I'm going to show you where I put them. Let's go. Hey guys, thanks for tuning into the channel. Today I'm looking at some ant traps from TERRO. So if you have an ant problem, and I have a little ant problem, I'm trying to figure it out. I'm looking at these ant traps, and I've tried the dry ones. And in my opinion, the liquid ones do better. Kills all common household ants. I think this is really good quality. They're liquid, and I've seen these work before. The ants go all around it, and they just really just start grabbing it and going after it, and they absolutely love it. They take it back to the nests, and they basically, go away. So that's how this works. Let me just show you what's in here. This is a pack of 6 bait stations. That's what they call them. Also, basically, it says the directions: break pre-filled the bait apart, hold bait upright and snap it open, and place it down, label up. And basically, they just find it. It's amazing how well this works. I've had it last year, and sometimes you have to keep treating every few months, like 6 months. I think it recommends here once ants are controlled, every 3 months. So depending on how heavy your ant problem is. But let me show you what they look like. Let me open one of these up here. So they come like the 6 in here, and there's liquid in here. Hopefully you can see that. You can see the liquid in there. And basically take these one off, break it open, and lay it down where the ants are. And this will leak out a little bit, and they'll actually be able to, they'll know it, because before you know it, they're all over the place. And they're just sitting there, and they're sucking this stuff up, and they're bringing it back to the nest, and they go bye-bye. So that's pretty much what I like about these. Definitely work well. I highly recommend these. If you have an ant problem, I would stay away from the dry stuff. It doesn't work. It's cheap for a reason. This one works a lot better and has a lot more results. I mean, I've noticed for sure, 100%. Just gonna pop a few of these open, place them around the property, and I think our ants will be gone. Okay guys, usually I get a lot of the ants coming over here in the section over here, so I'm gonna definitely set this up and see how it works. Hopefully it we'll open one of these up, take it off the package here, just like it says, and we'll hold it this way, and we'll twist it. And we're going to lay it down right here. Right in the corner over here. And we're going to put one on the other side. In this corner as well, right in the other side. Also, I think I have an issue right over here, I believe. A lot of them are over here as well. So I'm going to put one right over here in the corner. Just right here. I think this is really the majority of them. So I got 3 things covered. And that should do it. Hopefully that'll work. That's 3 of them I put out, and we'll see what happens. Okay, guys, that's it for the video. So I put them all out. I'll do a review, follow-up video. So subscribe to the channel and follow me. Hit that subscribe bell, hit that notification bell, and I'm going to do a follow-up video on this as well. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you at the next review.